Breaking news coming in, a 32-year-old biker Tabrez died after a road accident allegedly caused by shoddy civic work in Nelamangala. The incident occurred near the Bajaj showroom in Subhash Nagar, where a pit dug for laying a water pipeline had been left uncovered on the road. While riding, Tabrez's bike wheel slipped into the pit, causing him to apply sudden brakes. He lost control, crashed and fell onto the road, suffering severe injuries. So that is a major update that is coming in from Bengaluru, where civic apathy claimed another life. A biker named Tabrez lost his life because the pit that was dug out for laying a water pipeline had been left uncovered on the road. While riding, Tabrez's bike wheel slipped into the pit, causing him to apply sudden brakes. He lost control, crashed the bike and fell onto the road, suffering severe injuries which caused his death. So that is another death because of civic apathy in Bengaluru. And we are joined by Afreen Hussain on this broadcast. Afreen, if you could tell our viewers what really happened in this incident.
On December 17th, in the CCTV, you can see, Harsh, that this particular biker, identified as 32-year-old Tabrez, he is trying to avoid a pit that was dug up for, essentially doing waterline work, but it was not closed properly. And when he realizes that this is not properly closed, and he tries to put sudden brakes to avoid that particular pit, he loses balance, and from behind him, another bike rams into him, and he's seen falling on the road. And it's being said that for approximately 3-4 days, he's suffered serious injuries and battled for life. But ultimately, this particular road accident has caused his death.
Right, Afreen. Afreen, this is completely the fault of authorities and have they taken any action against the workers who left that pit uncovered?
Absolutely, Harsh. This is negligence on part of the officials. This is absolutely shoddy civic work that has been done. The locals there also have alleged that this is to be blamed on the authorities who have not completely, sealed or filled up this particular pit that was dug up for water pipe works. This is definitely the, to be blamed on the authorities who have not, done their work properly. Absolute shoddy work that you can see in the CCTV footage as well. Now, this has led to the death of an innocent 32-year-old man as well.
Right, Afreen. Afreen, do tell our viewers, has the Karnataka government reacted to this as of now?
Well, Harsh, as of now, there is no reaction on part of the state government or the opposition. It remains to be seen if, they're going to take any action against the workers who have done this improper work, improper filling of the pit, and what actions are they going to take against, the ones responsible for this. It needs stringent action because this has caused the death of a 32-year-old man who was just on his part going on the road, completely unaware that he's going to, is going to lead to his death. It really needs to be seen what the state government and if the opposition is also going to raise their voice against this.
Right, Afreen. Afreen, multiple incidents in the past have also happened. If you could tell our viewers about those incidents as well.
Well, absolutely, Harsh. We've seen that several road accidents due to potholes, bad condition of the road have been happening in Bengaluru, after which Deputy CM and Chief Minister both have, gone on and put out a notice to the GBA officials, to the BBMP officials to clear out all the potholes in the city and to also make sure that the road conditions are well enough for people to drive and commute easily. A single layer of asphalt was also to be laid before the end of November this year. And, both the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister claim that the officials are doing their work and most of the potholes on the roads are filled. But this is this particular case where this 32-year-old man has died is purely to be blamed on officials. Their shoddy civic work, leaving open a pit and on the road where so many vehicles, you can see so many vehicles moving on that road. This has led to the death of a man. It is to be blamed on the government.